Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a removal tutorial and a face mask tutorial. So for this video I'm going to need literally 3 simple things that you all probably have on your vanity tables. This is a twin pack, and this is my cleansing water. And this has no perfume in it. And the face mask I'm going to be using is the Chinese ginseng mask. Because guys, just remember, after a long day, by the way, I've just got in from work, after a long day is very vital to get rid of all the makeup, all the dirt that you've picked up along the day. Simply get your cotton buds, apply it, apply the mineral water to it, and just remove and the cleansing water removes makeup, cleanses and soothes the skin. I use quite a lot because I'm quite extra. And guys, if you follow this routine, you will realize that you will stop seeing pimples, blemishes, all those annoying things that we go through. You don't want to be too harsh on the skin. And remember to also cleanse your neck. The neck is also a part of the facial routine. And after you've done your cleansing, just dispose of them. Any product details, just message down below. You know I always respond to you guys because I love you guys. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to wet my face with some cold water to open up my pores. And the water is going on so easy, so smooth. And guys, I promise you, if you do follow these steps, you will start to see clearer skin alongside with drinking loads of water. Just remember, loads and loads and tons of water. If you do feel like Body Shop skincare products are too strong for you, because they are too strong for some people, I will suggest you using Simple. That's really good for sensitive skin. I also use that sometimes. You can also do it to your neck, but I'm just going to concentrate on my face for today. And what I'm literally going to do, let it settle, and then I'm going to get in the bath, relax, and then I'm going to remove it. But before I go, guys, there's one more thing that I want to add to this tutorial. This is a pink rose massage soap, and this is just simply what you can use to just massage and lather your skin whilst you're in the bath. And this is what I'm going to be using right now. And all these things just really help to soothe the body, and it's all a part of this process. Whilst you're taking care of your face, you're also taking care of your skin. And if you do want to know where I got this pink rose massage soap from, drop your questions below. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe.